Did you know that 73% of marketers believe social media marketing has been somewhat or very effective for their businesses? That's right. The digital landscape has significantly evolved over the years, and social media has become an integral part of modern business strategies. Think about it. It's a platform that allows businesses to directly engage with their customers, to showcase their products and services, and to increase brand visibility. It's no wonder that businesses are leveraging social media to drive growth. Companies are not just making their presence felt, they're using social media to generate leads, to engage their audience, to gather market insights, and so much more. The benefits are numerous. But the key to reaping these benefits lies in a well-crafted and well-executed social media strategy. It's not just about being online, it's about making a meaningful impact. Clearly, an effective social media strategy can be a game changer for businesses. Creating a social media strategy doesn't have to be complicated. It involves a few straightforward steps. Firstly, set clear and measurable goals. It's like setting a destination for a journey. For instance, you may want to increase your brand visibility by 20% in 6 months. Having a tangible target helps you stay focused and measure progress. The second step is getting to know your audience. Understand who they are, what they like, their habits, and where they spend most of their time online. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly products, your target audience may be environmentally conscious millennials who are active on Instagram. The third step is choosing the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and each one caters to a different demographic. If you're a B2B company, LinkedIn might be your best bet. If you're targeting young adults, consider Instagram or TikTok. It's all about being where your audience is. The fourth step is creating engaging content. Content is king in the digital world. It's what attracts and retains your audience. For instance, if you're a fitness brand, you might share workout videos, health tips, and customer testimonials. Remember, your content should offer value, not just promote your products. Lastly, measure your results and adjust accordingly. Social media strategy is not a set-it-and-forget-it thing. It requires constant monitoring and tweaking. Use analytics tools to track your progress. If your Instagram posts are getting more engagement than your Facebook ones, you might want to focus more on Instagram. To recap, a successful social media strategy involves setting clear goals, knowing your audience, choosing the right platforms, creating valuable content, and constantly measuring and adjusting your strategy. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to a successful social media strategy. Employees play a crucial role in the success of a social media strategy. They are the lifeblood of any organization, and they can be the driving force behind a powerful social media presence. Picture this: each of your employees, from the intern to the CEO, acting as a brand ambassador, sharing updates, engaging with potential clients, and amplifying your company's message. It's like having a team of marketers at your disposal. But these are marketers with a personal touch. Marketers who know your company inside and out. This kind of genuine interaction can foster a deeper connection with your audience than any marketing campaign ever could. However, it's not enough to simply give your employees access to your social media accounts. They need to be trained on social media best practices. They need to understand how to represent your brand online, how to interact with customers, and how to handle any potential issues that may arise. Remember, your employees are your best brand promoters. Train them well and harness their potential for your social media success. So, let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've delved into social media's profound influence on businesses, explored essential steps to craft a successful social media strategy, and highlighted the crucial role employees play in this process. With an effective social media strategy and your employees' support, your business is set to conquer the digital world. Start planning your strategy today.